everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kitchen and Craft by Maggie. Today I'm going to share you another recipe. Masarap po ito guys dahil vegetarian po tayo ngayon at low carb po ito. Okay guys, ito po yung ating first ingredients. So kailangan natin ng potatoes. Kinat ko na siya ng pahaba guys. Kasi ang purpose ko kung bakit siya binabad sa tubig dahil ayaw ko siyang mangitim. Kailangan natin ng beans or sa Tagalog ay bagyo beans. Then kailangan natin ng parsley. Chinap ko na rin po siya ng pinong-pino. Onions. 2 cloves of garlic. And then nilagay natin sa ating grater. Olive oil. Itong tomato sauce guys, mayroon tayo ditong previous video. I-check niyo po yan sa aking mga videos, mga last previous video natin. Meron po akong video doon kung paano gumawa ng tomato sauce. Ilagay ko na lang po yan sa description box. I-check niyo na lang po yan kung paano ako gumawa ng tomato sauce. Salt and black pepper po. So, yan lang po yung mga ingredients natin. And let's go. We will start now our cooking.
Some hip in your stride, nice and slow, slow and nice. You're moving with style. There you go, just bumping down the street to the beat that is in your heart. Every day, hoping to see you look back and give me a wink that takes me to the moon.
The feel of cool water as the warmth of the sun is on my skin is only a small glimpse of paradise. You're the essence of my soul's desire. Stand with me, I need you by my side. I can't imagine one day without your love in my life, and my promise to you will last forever. Take my hand and I will be complete. Please stand with me. The roar of the thunder and the wind that blows hard outside my door are only reminders of my frailty. You'd be my shelter through this and